In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QuillBot like a pro. Best tips for rephrasing with the AI. Paraphrasing tool. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type QuillBot. From the results, click the official QuillBot site. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Paraphrasing tool. This is the workspace where you'll paste your text and control how much it changes. Before you paste anything, pick the right mode for your goal. Standard is the best default for most writing because it keeps a natural tone while improving clarity. If your draft has grammar issues or slightly awkward phrasing, switch to fluency to clean it up without changing your meaning. When you need a professional voice, think reports, applications, or academic writing. Formal is a strong choice. If your sentences feel dense, choose simple to make them easier to read. Creative and Creative Plus can offer variety for content writing, but use them lightly because they may drift from your original intent. There's also Academic, available on Premium, which aims for a scholarly tone while staying readable. A solid workflow is to begin with Standard, see the output, and only switch modes if that first pass doesn't meet your needs. Next, look at the synonym slider. This slider controls how aggressively QuillBot rewrites your text. Lower settings around 1 or 2 make minimal edits and preserve meaning closely. Middle settings around 3 or 4 strike a good balance between originality and accuracy. Higher settings, 5 and above, can help reduce repetition but may introduce meaning shifts. For professional or sensitive content, staying between 2 and 4 is usually safest. Now, paste or type your text into the left panel of the tool. Give QuillBot a clean input if possible. Remove stray formatting and double-check any names, figures, or citations for accuracy so the output remains faithful to your source. When you're ready, click Paraphrase and wait a moment for the result to appear on the right. Read through the output and confirm it preserves your intent. If it feels off, adjust the slider or try a different mode and run it again. When you're satisfied, use the copy icon at the bottom to grab the rephrased text quickly. For a polished finish, run it through QuillBot's built-in grammar checker. This helps smooth awkward spots, catch missing punctuation, and ensure the overall flow feels natural. With these steps, you'll rephrase confidently while keeping your voice and meaning intact.